Global markets remain cautious as uncertainty grows around the U.S. presidential election scheduled for 5th November. Investors speculate whether the U.S. will elect its first woman president or give Donald Trump a second term, fueling anxiety. The outcome will significantly impact U.S.-India trade dynamics, especially in IT services, pharmaceuticals, and textiles. GIFT Nifty wavers in early action. Anxiety actually also prevails ahead of US elections where voters go to the polls on 5th November to elect their next president. The big question, whether United States of America will get its first woman president or Donald Trump will get a second term. As of recording, election risks are starting to affect global stock markets on backdrop of prospects of a Donald Trump presidential win. Well, the trade policies of the new government can influence India's exports and imports in some key sectors, which are closely linked to the US economy, like IT services, pharmaceuticals, and textiles. Long story short, our call of the day suggests caution will continue to the buzzword as aggressive traders will prefer to stay on the sidelines. Nifty's biggest intraday support seen at 24,350 mark. Market trends. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 5063 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 3620 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating weakening momentum with bearish candles. FANO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is consolidating near 13.97 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 0.88 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, upside likely to be capped. Nifty may waver in an up and down session. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 4399. Biggest intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,350 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,701 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,300 and to 4650. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51531. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,750 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,713 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,105 to 100. Bias for the day is neutral positive. Need to know. Technically speaking, in yesterday's trade, Nifty again faltered on intraday strength. Bears were seen mashing the benchmark Nifty for fourth straight day. The big question, what comes after a dead cat bounce? Strictly speaking, dead cat bounce is a temporary price recovery following losses that is followed by more losses. Immediate downside risk on Nifty is placed at 24,350 mark. Aggressive intermittent downside targets are at Nifty's 200 DMA at 23,368 mark. Keeping bullish sentiments in check are two key negative catalysts. 1. Corporate India's Q2 earnings disappointment. 2. Intense FII selling. This October month, FIIs have pulled out over 97,205 crore rupees from Indian equities. Buzzing stocks. 1. Renewable energy company Adani Power share price rose 3% after the company announced that its board of directors will meet on 28 October to consider raising funds worth up to 5,000 crore rupees via non-convertible debentures, NCDs. 2. Colgate's share price plunged 3.48% in yesterday's trade even after its net profit rose 16.2% to 395 crore rupees in Q2 FY25. Revenue climbed 10% to 1,619 crore rupees. 3. ACC rebounded 0.78% after its net profit fell 48.5% to 199.7 crore rupees in the September quarter of FY25 from 388 crore rupees in the September quarter of FY24. Q2 earnings reports to trickle in today, Friday, 25th October.